Hello family, how you doing? My name is Abezi Prosper. Yeah, so in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to start your trades, how to start so many positions in one single trade. Like whenever you see a simple an opportunity and you want to start in, like you want to feel like, okay, let me maximize this opportunity, let me get into money positions and let me make money from this positions. You don't know how to do that. It's very bad. Like I remember when I started starting, I found out how to start from my mentor Jeffrey Benson. Before, I didn't know how to do that before, so I found out how to start before I got into the mentorship. I found out that he starts. I saw his screenshot and every other thing. I know that okay, this is what he does. He add more positions when the market is going in your favor. I started doing that without knowing how to do that. I know so many accounts that I blow that I blew from doing that. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience, how to do that properly and how to maximize the opportunities when you are trading. Because if you don't know how to start and you want to do that, you are going to lose money. Yeah, there is a way that start works best, and that way is the way that I'm going to show you guys right now. So let's go to the chart directly. Let's go.
So guys, welcome. Yeah, so this was the trade that I was trading to show you guys how to start. Very easy. Yeah, very easy. So let's take it gradually. So this was when I started here in the morning today. So I started this trade here, and you can see that this one was red. Yeah, you can see, you can see. So I started stacking and the market came down and hit my break even. Yeah, I wasn't expecting it. I wasn't expecting it. So I lost money here. I lost money here. The market came down and hit my break even because I had a lot. Yeah, but I didn't. I lost about 1% of the account. Then I went in again. So I lost about 2% of my account then. Then I went in again. This was the last one that I went in and I recovered that percent and I made about 5%, 5%, which the 1% was taken out, and I have 160 something dollars. You can see my profits, $163. So this one that you are seeing here was the one that hit my break even. You can see all of them was buying. I was already buying on the trade. Yeah, before I broke even, and once I break the even on my trades, then they started coming down, and the trade started coming down and hit my break even. So this is the screenshot here. This was when I got in the second one. You can see I have many positions here. So this was my trade here. You can see the trade here. Yeah, see the trade. You see the trade. Yeah, see the trade. This is the second one that I used to recover the last one that hit my break even. So here was the one that hit my break even here. So I'll show you guys this one's on the chart right now. So this was the one that hit my break even here. Yeah, first time I get in here, I got in many positions here. Then this ones came down and hit my break even. Simple. Yeah, once it hit my break even, because I know what I was doing, I was using a proper risk management. It didn't take me out much. Yeah, because all my trades were locked up in locked up with stop loss. I have stop loss, all of them. All these things that you are seeing here, multiple positions that I have here, I know what I'm doing. You can even see this one that you can see clearly that this one has break even here. This one's this one have already break even all my positions here. This is where all their stop loss are. Yeah, this is where all their stop loss are. So that was the reason here. You can see them. So I decided that I'm going to close out this trade here. I'm going to close out this trade here because I saw this candle was pulling down, pulling down, pulling down. So I decided that once the candle closed below here, I'm going to close out my trades. So let me show you guys. So this was when I was closing out. So the candle closed below here. And I was thinking that this one that I printed was going to come down, maybe hit my break even again. And I don't want to lose much because I've already lose 1% of the account here. So I don't want to, yeah, you can see that I started closing one them. Started closing from the bigger ones. Yeah, the bigger one that has a bigger stop loss. Started closing them. I was thinking that this thing was just going to only maybe go up, and once it go up, then it started coming down. You can see that the candle printed up immediately. All the candle printed here and it started going up. So my thinking process was okay, this guy may likely come down to range again. So I started closing out my trades. Yeah, you can see that I lost about 1% then. Now I'm up about 5% of the account immediately of that. Yeah. So I decided to close all of them. Decided to close all of them. Yeah. So and see, decided to close all of them. So I closed all of them. Yeah, 163. Yeah, this was the position. Yeah, this is the trade. You can see this is the trade. This is the trade. These ones was the ones I hit my break even before the ones because I really know that the market is going to move from here there. It's going to rally up because all my complexes was there. And yeah, so this was the trade. So how to start is very simple. How to start is very simple. Yeah, so let's do it properly. So this is was where I started in the morning here upon this week distribution. So I have my can see my chart pattern as I always say W chart pattern. First one, and I have a trend line coming from below. I have a trend line an upward trend line that is coming from below here. And I have my chart pattern psychology level was close by. Psychology level was there. 183.500 was here. So once I saw this guy, I started loading at yeah, I loaded three position here. The candle closed. Once the candle closed, I said okay, and the candle closed above this one, this previous one. Yeah, I can call this a morning star. I can call this formation a morning star. This and this and this. This one, this bearish one and this one a morning star. So I can just decide to call it a morning star. I don't know what you call it, but I just saw the formation. I have it on my head that okay, this is going to be a bullish move. So once this one close here, I already have like three position here. Then I started loading it. Yeah, I load more three position here, which is now becoming 2% of my account. Yeah, 2% of my account. Once the candle started printing, once this one finished bullish this way and this one started coming down aggressively, I started looking again, and looking again, I looked about 0.40, 0.40, 0.40. Then I break even my trade. Then I break even my trade. My stop was somewhere here. Then my stop, sorry. So my stop was sorry guys, that was because so my stop was somewhere here. Then I was about 20 something pips, 20 pips here. 20 pips, yes. The stop was 20 pips here. You know, somewhere in here. That was where I got my percent. The stop was 20 pips. I normally put my top below, the swing below or swing high. So when I started seeing this one pushing down, I said, this is it, this is it, this is it. But because I know I saw because I have already studied these candles, I know how it works sometimes. Yeah, but not all the time, but sometimes. Yeah. So when I saw this close it bullish and this one was coming down aggressive, then I started looking 0.40, 0.40, 0.43 position more. Then this one closed up, and I saw another position here. Then I got in here, not knowing that this thing is going to hit my stop loss. Sorry, my break even. After this candle close, then what I will do, I ran very fast to break even my trade somewhere here. So I broke even, and this market came down to hit. My break even was somewhere here. The market came down, I hit my break even. Yeah. So once the market hits my break even, I lost about 100 and something dollar, about $110 or $120. Yeah, that was what I lost here. So I started seeing this opportunity again. So let's play this one. So this is the first one that I took early morning. That was around 7 to 8. Yeah, 7:15. Yeah, early morning. That was where I took this one. So the next one was this. I started seeing a rejection here, first one. After the close of this one, then here. I got in here. The reason why I got in here because I saw that this thing has created a low. This was the first low. This is the second low. So for me, I can also call this thing a W2, which is this leg is this leg. This one is higher than this one. So it's a form of W like this. Can you see? Form of W like let me paint it. Let me paint that in for you guys. Yeah, like a form of W like you can see that this is a W. Yeah, this is a W. Can you see? Mm, Let's make it more bigger. You can see that this is a W, clearer W, and purely that's what I saw. I saw one leg, second leg. So once I saw this was Once I saw that and I decided, okay, I started doing it the same thing again, 0.20, 0.20, 0.23 position. The market went up. I didn't get in again because my mindset was if this market did not break this high, I'm not going to get in again. So the market came down and created this hammer candle, this thing that looked like hammer candle here. Hold on, let me clone this guy. So created this thing that looked like hammer candle here. Once the market created this thing that looked like hammer candle here and start coming down, then I started looking it again because from my mind that bro, this hammer candle shows a very strong bullish momentum that is coming in here. So once this one started coming down, I started looking it again, 0.20, 0.20, 0.20, now six position. The market went up, started going up aggressively. After this push down, I started going up aggressively. I started looking at 0.40, 0.40, 0.40. Let me clone it again. Let me clone it again. 0.40, 0.40, 0.40 position. So once this one has went up this way and created this one was here, that was when I started being like a kind of bro, I don't understand what it was doing again. After this rejection here, you can see two rejection. I wouldn't understand what the candle was doing again. Yeah, and this one, if this bearish candle was above here, I could have been strong. Like if it was something like this, if it was something that closed above here, I could have been sure I could have said, okay, this thing has already got this high, which is here. But this decision, this close wasn't much like for me. Yeah, it looked like something that was breaking the high, but for me, I feel like maybe it wasn't much like a kind of clear. That was why I decided I'm going to close once the candle closed below here. Once the candle closed below here, below this one. So the candle closed below this one and came down to the test here. That was where I did a mistake. I didn't remember what I always do. This was a retest of this zone. This was a retest of this zone. This was a retest of this zone before the candle before this was a retest of this zone before it started moving on the upside. Yeah. So, but I close here. Reason because I've already made about 5% of the account. So, and I have already paid for this thing that I did here. That was the reason why I closed up. So let me show you the risk management. Risk management was this. Yeah, this is where I do my risk management. For you to know, this is babypips.com. Yeah, once you go to baby pips position size calculator, you will see something like this position size calculator. Once you open position size calculator, you put your account balance here, risk percentage, 20 pips stop loss, GBPJPY. Then you put the pair that you are trading. You can see many pair that is here, Euro USD, GDP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. Just pick the pair that you are trading. For me, I trade GDP JPY. So if you're trading any JPY pair, you have to put this current price, current USD JPY by ask price before it will show. So, but if you're not trading any JPY pair, then you can just go directly. So this was 0.91. You can see 0.91. 0.91. Let's bring that calculator. So 0.91. Remember, I started with 0.20 times. Sorry, ladies, right? 0.20. Sorry, 0.20 times how many? 3. 0.60. This is 0.60. Yeah, 0.6. That was it. 0.6. Yeah, I still have around 30 position. That was why I was stacking and I know what I was doing. Yeah, but once I want to get in, I get in with 3 position, getting with 3 position, getting with 3 position. Yeah, that was when I know that, and I did this 3 times. I did it 3 times. All the position that I was doing, I was calculating all of them. Yeah, so this is how easy that you can get if you want to start. This is how you are going to be starting. Yeah, you start when the market is trending, not when it's ranging. Once you see that market is creating higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, it's breaking the high or it's creating like this type of thing again, like creating this way format, then you know that the market is trending. Yeah, people who trade like people who trade like swing traders, once they start see this is where they are getting and they are getting on this high, on this swing high. swing high, this higher low. This high was higher than this one. Yeah, so once they get in here and it create another low, then come up to create another high, they will get in again. The market come down and create another high, they will get in again. The market come down and create another high, they will get in again. So it's that to whenever they say, okay, I'm going to exit, then they exit all of them. So that was how I did. But I didn't hold the trade to reach here. That was the mistake that I did. I didn't maximize. Even me, I didn't maximize this opportunity because if I was here, I could have been making a lot of money. But it is what it is. We don't regret. You can't make all the money in the Forex market. All you have to do is take the one that belongs to you and run, bro. Like this was around. This was okay. Here was my position. Yes, it is 64 pips. Imagine that I get in with 0.01, 0.01, and I had my stop loss. I did my stop loss was here. 26. Oh yeah, let's use calculator. 26 pips. 26 pips. Let's 0.70. 0.70, one position cannot give me the money that I've made just by stacking all those positions. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm stacking. Because whenever I stack, I make a lot of money when I'm stacking than when I don't stack. Yeah. And whenever you are going to lose, you are going to lose. And whenever I'm going to lose, I lose big too. But that's the reason why I'm always kind of careful whenever I'm stacking my trades. Yeah, so that was how I usually start. So thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you guys, I really appreciate it. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and turn on your bell notifications. So how to start is very easy, as I showed you guys. Very easy. If you follow this approach that I just showed you guys, you are going to be killing it in the market. You are going to be stacking amazing. Yeah, because for me, I don't know, I don't like getting in one position, like one big position once. I don't like doing that. I like to do that in a way that I love, which is stacking. So that's why I prefer stacking more than getting in one position. So as I showed you guys, that's the perfect way to do that. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, hit that like button for your boy, turn your bell notification. Peace out.